Welcome to Yoga for You, a channel tailored to helping you discover your very own unique yoga practice.
Welcome, yogis. My name is Taylor, and today we're going to be diving into a connection meditation. To begin, find your way to a comfortable seat. Bring your hands wherever comfortable, face up, face down, on your belly, on your heart, wherever you'd like to place your hands is fine. Close your eyes, and we're just going to start with 3 deep rounds of breath. And I'm going to ask you to open your eyes in just a moment. But before you do so, can you remove any filter of judgment from your observation? Open your eyes and just take in your surroundings. What's around you? What do you see? What do you hear? What do you notice? What do you feel? And here we're practicing observation without judgment. Nothing that you are looking at or sensing is wrong or bad. Can you take everything that you're noticing in as face value? And then begin to observe yourself. You may bring your eyes down to your body. Observe your hands. Observe your feet, your legs, your arms, your belly. And just as you did with your surroundings, observe yourself without judgment. Now, one last time, connect the observation of yourself to the observation of your surroundings. Bring yourself back to stillness, back to center, and close your eyes. With the eyes closed, can you now re-observe your surroundings? With the eyes closed, you may hear something different. You may feel something different. Just observe. Connect with what's around you, connect with your surroundings. And now bring your connection through the physical body. Notice your seat. Check in with your sits bones. And really feel how your seat is connecting to your mat, the cushion, the earth, the ground. And carry this connection through the earth to everything that's around you. Your seat, your ground is the same ground that all of the trees are on, that your home is on, that all of our animals walk upon. Your neighbors and your friends share this same earth. And feel this connection through your seat. Feel the connection of everything sharing this seat with you. The trees sitting on the earth, the rocks sitting on the earth. It's all seated right here with you right now. Become grounded in this union. Become conscious in this connection. Can you draw this union, this connection, all the way down to the center of the earth? Can you feel how deep the tree's roots grow? Can you feel how deep your roots grow? And stay in this open state of observation. Remain connected to your surroundings, whether you are in a room or outdoors. Stay open and aware and tuned into what's going on around you. Equally, connect that to what's going on inside of you. Find such a union in your surroundings and your inner world that there appears to be no difference. Connect so deeply with the earth beneath you and the trees around you that there is no difference. We're all sitting on the same earth. All of our roots are going to the same place. The birds are a reflection of you. The wind, the sun, imagine an undoubtedly strong union between you and everything and everyone around you. It is the disconnection of this union that leaves us uprooted, confused, floundering or frazzled. Never lose sight or connection of the oneness around you. And as this oneness roots deeper, you may begin to notice that the happenings throughout your day, throughout your life, are part of this oneness too. Remember that thing that happened a while ago that you thought was going to be the end of the world? Without bringing it full swing back into your awareness and knocking out your connection, remember that feeling. And match it with how you're feeling now. Knowing that that moment, that happening, was perfect. that it simultaneously brought you to this moment of union now. For these next few moments, may we find silence and stillness as we experience the depth this union offers. If at any point you get lost, bring yourself back to center, back to your seat, and back to the seat that we all share. Gently and slowly begin to blink open your eyes one little bit at a time to take back in your physical surroundings. Notice if you see the world any differently. Maybe a little bit brighter, a little quieter. Maybe there's no difference outward, but inwardly you are softer. And may you move forward in this union and in this oneness. Namaste, yogis.